Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video it's gonna be a tutorial about Instagram, and I would like to show to you the way how to hide Instagram likes on your Instagram account. So the first thing you have to do, you need to open the Instagram application and make sure that you're already logged in with your Instagram account. And whenever you open your Instagram, they will be bring you into your home sections, but then we need to jump into the profile sections over here. And whenever you arrive in the profile section, make sure that you click these three straight lines over here. And now you just need to jump into the settings and privacy. In the settings and privacy, you need to scrolling down until you found this what you see sections, and you just need to jump into like and share counts. Just need to click it, and after that you just need to turn on the button of hide like and share counts. Just need to click it to turn it on. And whenever it's on, if you are in a black mode, you will see that the button changed from gray to blue. Means that you already activate the hide like on your Instagram account. So that's the way how to hide Instagram likes on your Instagram account. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you, so don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and see you for the next video.